Okay, here we are back in the Digistore workshop today, and today we're going to be looking at a brand new Thunderbolt RAID device, 8-bay tower from Symply. It comes in this beautiful beautiful road case, so let's have a look inside, shall we? And it's got these very rugged catches on the end here. It's a beautifully made road case. So inside we've got significant padding. We also have this 2-meter Thunderbolt 3 active cable. Plenty of padding around the RAID unit itself. The unit is very, very compact, as you see in the middle there. So let's pull it out and have a bit of a look. Okay, it's a sexy unit, little 8-bay, very, very compact. It has this really nice handle on the top here, recessed handle. Very, very solid construction. You've got your 8 drives in the front here, all removable, all with screw locks. So that's really, really good. And it's quite compact. It's hard to get an idea of the size. Let's have a look at the back, shall we? Just spin it around. And on the back here, we have a very large sort of whisper quiet fan, so it's a very, very quiet unit. Power supply. Now both of the fan and the power supply are field serviceable and removable. We have dual Thunderbolt 3 ports, so daisy chain, with the Thunderbolt 3 output also supplying PD power to power your laptop, etc. So yeah, it's a great looking unit. Let's have another look at the front of it. It comes in capacities from 48 terabytes through to 144 terabytes. There's also a model which uses the latest Multi-Actuator hard drives, so we'll talk a bit about that later. 5-year warranty, which is fantastic, and available now. So yeah, call us for more details. Cheers.